let me tell you a bit about the theme. My theme today is Beyond the Moonlit Doors. So why Beyond the Moonlit Doors? For me, it's really about talking about doors as opportunities to everyone. So if you even in the English culture or the Chinese culture, when we say opportunities never knock twice, why is the word knocking there? It's because opportunities is presented as a door. But in the pandemic time, a lot of us were sitting to wait. We sit and wait for things to happen because we don't know, we're unsure, right? That sit and wait character is now passed to even now, post-pandemic, we're still sitting and wait because that's the character we have come to accept the norm. What I'm doing with the doors today and make them openable so that you can walk across is so that when the opportunities do knock on your end, please seize it and walk through. Open a door and walk through, and that's what I want everybody to feel. Walk through the doors, and these doors are done for you to really just play with. My biggest fear, you all will know, is people will trash my doors. I know, everybody's gonna say that. But we keep challenging ourselves. The way Kwai Chai Hong always do things is one, we want to make sure there's the Chinese culture that we put into everything we do, correct? But two, we always push boundaries in terms of creativity. So what are the boundaries we have this time around? We've put neon light, striking colors onto your old-fashioned door. And that's the result. Remember, taking the photos this way is neon, but taking the photo that way, it's really bright lit blue doors, yellow doors, pink doors, and red doors. Try and see when you're on the other side, okay? And then the moon, if you look at the moon, we have the giant-sized moon. Hi, Kevin. We have the giant-sized moon. For the people who have been with me since day one, you'll remember I have a 10-foot moon 3D over here. Today, we set the moon up. So that giant-sized moon that is lighting up that moon door, if you stand just in the middle of this moon door, the LED lights surrounding the moon door in tungsten colors will light up your skin so that you don't have to worry about being too dark. So that's the fun part, alright? Now I'm going to be Pamela Tan, who is my friend and also a wonderful, wonderful architect designer. She has so kindly agreed to collaborate with us to give you endless frames. So if you look at this installation by Pamela, you will see that it is hundreds and hundreds of pieces of acrylic sheets that are laser cut using windows and door design. If you look at those cuts, they are the ancient, or I should say the heritage, the old Chinese ancient oriental doors, now translated into translucent perspex and hung into various heights. So when she presented this, she said, I want various heights because doors represent hope and opportunities, correct? When you shoot there, especially during daytime, nighttime maybe not so, but during daytime when you shoot there, the lowest hanging ones are like the closest opportunities you can get. So you can touch them, and that's what she wants to do. She wants you to interact with the piece of work as well. And that's her ethereal, very spiritual looking installation that she presented to you. I hope you guys like it. Okay, I talked too much already, right? Nobody wants to hear me because everybody's looking like, I want to take a picture, I want to go there, I want to go there. So please enjoy yourself.